Video I show you how to fix sorry cannot play this video on YouTube Kids app. For fixing this problem, first of all check that your YouTube Kids app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search for YouTube Kids, click on it. Up to date your YouTube Kids app is available in update version. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube Kids, click on YouTube Kids, click on force stop, click on OK, then click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now must restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open YouTube Kids app. Get started, skip, skip, done, agree. Now play any video. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube Kids sorry cannot play this video problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.